Hi, this is Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, and I am so grateful you are here today. Today we are going to talk about setting up retreat spaces wherever you happen to find yourself. Yes, you may take a retreat, whether you are at home or far away, whether you're with a group of people, whether you have 5 minutes, an hour, a week, a weekend, 30 minutes a day for 30 days, whatever it is for you. We want to help you get that set up so that you can create with more freedom. So, if you would, please subscribe, make a comment when this is over, when you've gotten some benefit from it, and like and tell your friends about what we're doing. We would love to build a relationship with you so that you can write with freedom. When you create a sacred space, it doesn't have to be on a mountaintop, it doesn't have to be in a church or a fancy cathedral. It is sometimes the most heartful thing to do, to create sacred spaces exactly where you find yourself, which is what I am doing today right here in Bakersfield, California, a place that a lot of people don't think of as being particularly restful, serene, or sacred for that matter. I am at one of my favorite parks here in Bakersfield. It's called Hart Park, and a lot of people in Bakersfield never come here. But you can see it's a really cool environment, and behind me is one of my favorite bridges. Sometimes sacred spaces may have graffiti on them. Sometimes their architecture goes unnoticed. And that's why it's so important to take a moment to really experience the place you're in for beauty. Some people choose to complain. They choose to complain about all the things that are wrong, like there's a shooting range right over there, and there's graffiti on this bridge, and there's trash. All those are a given, and yet they're still sacred when we choose to see it. So what will you choose to see today? When I first saw this scene, I saw, oh my gosh, they chopped down a palm tree. And then I kept looking, and I saw, wow, look, there's another palm baby, a palm tree baby. And wait, there's more palm tree babies. I have had so much fun in discovering bits and pieces of Hart Park that I hadn't necessarily explored through your eyes or thinking of your eyes. So perhaps one of your intentions to set as you go about creating retreat in your own neck of the woods, your own territory, is to look at it from a fresh perspective, from brand new eyes, as if you've never seen it before. Take the time to fully enjoy where you are. Be present to the beauty there and make that choice today.